This is problem number 3 from the Chapter 4 closure problems. Bob climbed down a ladder from his roof, while Roy climbed up a ladder next to him. Each ladder had 30 rungs. Their friend Joe recorded the following information about Bob and Roy. Bob went down 2 rungs every second. Roy went up 1 rung every second. At some point, Bob and Roy were at the same height. Write and solve an equation to determine how many seconds had gone by and which rung they were on when this happened. So I'm going to start with Bob. So he went down 2 rungs every second. So this means we're going to say -2 because he's going down, so it has to be negative. And every second we're going to use an X for that. But since he's going down, we have to think about where did he start, so how tall his ladder was, and that was his starting point, which is 30. So 30 is going to be our B, and y equals mx plus b. So we have -2x plus 30. And then we have Roy. Roy went up 1 rung every second. Well, since he's going up, it's going to be positive. So we're going to have 1 rung, and x is our every second. And where did he start? Well, he started at the bottom since he's going up. So that's just going to be +0. And since we want to know where they were at the same height, we want to know where these two were the same thing. So we're going to set these equal to each other. So -2x plus 30 equals 1x plus 0. Okay, if we need to get all the x's on the same side, we're going to do +2x on both sides. So we have 30 equals 3x. We don't really need to write that +0, so I'm just going to leave it like this. And now it's 3 times x, which means we need to divide by 3 on both sides. And we get x equals 10. Whoops, 10. And in this case, it's 10 seconds. And it also says, so how many seconds has it gone by? 10. Which rung were they on? So we're going to plug this back in. So I didn't write y up here, but these both equal y. So we can plug 10 in for either x. So I'm just going to do the 1 times 10 plus 0. So this is just 10. So the 10th rung. So after 10 seconds, they were both on the 10th rung.